First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we are about to see, in fact, this is the very beginning of a major cool down coming for the Christmas holiday and pretty much the entire week. We're not going to see a warm up until we get into the upcoming weekend, which happens to be the final weekend of 2013. Here's a look at First Alert live Doppler radar this morning. All clear, but there have been a few reports of a little bit of mist or even a few sprinkles. And even north of us, a few flurries very early this morning, but anything that's out there too light to be detected on Doppler radar this morning. So things are going to clear out. As a matter of fact, we're seeing a clearing line of the cloud cover that's over us this morning, kind of working slowly west to east as we get some of that energy out from that storm that hit us Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Currently, we're at 34 degrees as we check Mesonet sites around south central Kentucky, right at the freezing mark off to the north of us. And as you head further south, near the Tennessee border, temperatures more in the 33, 34, 35, and then up to 37 degrees in Burkesville at this hour. And then we're seeing or feeling winds out of the north and west at 10 to 15 miles per hour. You throw that in with the current air temperature and you get what we call the wind chill factor. That's how it feels against your body once you get the winds with that chilly temperature, and it feels like it's in the mid to upper 20s across the area this morning. So if you are headed off to work this morning, dress warmly, as that little bit of a wind is going to maybe put a bite into the early morning temperatures. Now today we're not going to recover that much. Temperatures will only get up into the mid to maybe upper 30s, 36 for Campbellsville up in Taylor County, all this around the Green River Lake area. And by the way, there was a confirmed EF1 tornado that struck the northern part of Campbellsville. It went across Kentucky 210 and did some damage. Estimated winds of about 104 miles per hour. That was Saturday night, and they were under a tornado warning there. And that's the same line that did some damage back in Hart County, Cave City, through Greene County, and then went on up to Campbellsville to become that EF1 tornado. Later today, 35 degrees for Greensburg and for Columbia. And by the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night, Christmas night, estimated to be at $74 million, and the next Mega Millions estimated to be at $22 million. Here's a look live from our AAA Systems weather cam. Scottsville Road at Independence Bank. All is, well, mainly cloudy at the moment. 34 current temperature, but it feels like 28. Thanks to that northwest wind at 7 miles per hour. We head to Russellville in Logan County, 33 degrees at the moment there under a cloudy sky. Franklin is cloudy, 34 degrees currently in Simpson County. And at the Sleep Inn down Scottsville Road and I-65 at exit 22, it is 34 degrees. A cold blast. You think it's cold here or going to be cold the next few days? The coldest air locked into Montana, the Dakotas, into Minnesota, 22 degrees in Glasgow, Montana, and it's 24 degrees below zero. That's below zero, by the way, in Bismarck, 18 below zero in Fargo, Sioux Falls at 14 below zero. That's where the coldest air will stay, but we're going to get a taste of it here the next few days. Moderated some, of course, as it moves southward. We're at 34 right now, Indy at 27, St. Louis at 23. It's still in the 50s, 60s, and even 70s further south and east of us. Well, there goes that big system from Saturday night, early Sunday, still very slow moving and still causing rain and thunderstorms down along the Atlantic seaboard. But for us, things are pretty quiet here. And for the next few days, as we get into the Christmas holiday, no travel worries around here. Things will be very quiet. We'll see sunshine breaking out later today as we get rid of the clouds. Overnight tonight and during the day tomorrow, things will be pretty tranquil. Now, we will be watching a little upper level wave, a disturbance, a ripple in the atmosphere, in the upper atmosphere, that on Wednesday, Christmas Day, will impact the Ohio Valley with maybe a little bit of light snow flurry activity. Will any of that make it here? Big question mark. Probably not, but it is possible to see maybe a snowflake or two on Christmas Day. We'll see. Gradual clearing today, colder, a high of only 37, but a very cold 17 under a mainly clear sky tonight over south central Kentucky. Then tomorrow for Christmas Eve day, only making it up to 28, 39 for Wednesday, Christmas Day, and partly sunny, 43 Thursday, and a warm up as we get into the weekend, but very quiet weather, no stormy weather, no winter weather, no severe weather, which is good news. We need a break.